the smell of fresh vegetables, colorful fruits, and the freshest products at the market. In today's video, you'll follow Jake and Sarah. They're going to a farmer's market together. They'll look at fresh products, talk to the vendors, and learn how to make the right choices. Let's begin.
Sarah, good morning. Welcome to the market.
Good morning, Jake. It's so busy here. The place is packed.
Saturday mornings are always like this. It's the best time to come.
Why is it the best time?
3 reasons. First, the products are very fresh in the morning. Second, there's so much variety. Third, the farmers are here in person.
The farmers themselves?
Yes, the farmers bring their own products. So it goes straight from the field to you.
That's wonderful. So what are we getting today?
Vegetables, fruit, maybe some cheese. But first, I want to teach you something.
What are you going to teach me?
How to choose fresh produce. Some vegetables look great but aren't fresh at all.
Really? Can't you just go by how they look?
You shouldn't rely on looks alone. By the end of today, you'll understand that very well.
Now I'm curious. Where shall we go first?
Let's start at the tomato stand. We'll work our way from there. Look over there. That's Mr. Tom's stand. I come here every week.
Good morning, Jake. You brought a friend today?
Good morning, Mr. Tom. This is Sarah. It's her first time at the market.
Welcome, Sarah. The tomatoes are beautiful today. They came fresh from the farm this morning.
The colors are so different. Red, yellow, even purple.
Mr. Tom, could you show Sarah how to pick a fresh tomato?
Of course, of course. Look, Sarah, first check the color. It should be deep and vibrant. See the pale one over there?
Yes, that one looks a bit washed out.
That one's old. Go for the bright colored one. Then pick it up and feel the weight.
This one is really heavy. Is that good?
Very good. A heavy tomato means it's full inside. More juice, more flavor.
And there's one more thing. Mr. Tom, could you show us the seasonal tomatoes?
Absolutely. Look at the sign on the stand. What does it say, Sarah?
It says in season.
In season means this vegetable is at its best right now, both cheaper and more delicious.
Cheaper and more delicious. Then we have to get these.
And what about those oddly shaped tomatoes in that box?
They're not perfectly shaped, but the taste is exactly the same. Some are even sweeter, and they're cheaper too.
So the shape doesn't matter.
Not at all. A smart shopper doesn't look at the shape, they look at the flavor.
We'll take 1 kilo of the seasonal tomatoes, Mr. Tom.
Got it. Enjoy?
Mr. Tom, are you here every week?
Yes, Sarah. Every Saturday morning at 6 o'clock, I'm here.
6 in the morning. That's so early.
I come early and set up my stand. Once you're used to it, it feels normal.
Wow, there's so much here. Green leaves, broccoli, peppers.
Yes, this is Mrs. Helen's stand, the best place for leafy greens.
Good morning, Jake. Welcome.
Good morning, Mrs. Helen. Could you teach Sarah how to tell if leafy greens are fresh?
Easy. Look at this, Sarah. This leaf is standing upright. Pick this one.
What about that other leaf?
That one is soft and drooping. That means it's old. Upright means fresh.
Got it. Upright means fresh. Soft means old.
Also, look at the color. Is it a bright green or a dull green?
Bright green means fresh. Dull green means old. Right, Mrs. Helen?
Absolutely right. Jake really knows his stuff.
Jake, where did you learn all this?
You pick it up after years of coming to the market. Mrs. Helen has taught me a lot, too.
Let me also show you today's special green. This week's spinach is excellent.
Spinach? I love it. Are we getting some, Jake?
Of course, we'll take half a kilo of spinach, Mrs. Helen.
You're doing great so far, by the way. Hello, everyone. I'm Daniel, and I'm here to help you learn English the easy way. Did you notice the phrase in season? It means a vegetable or fruit is at its best time of year. Mr. Tom said, "These vegetables are in season." In-season produce is both cheaper and more delicious. And a quick grammar note. Jake said, "A heavy tomato has more water and more taste." We use more to talk about a greater amount of something. More water, more taste, more time. Try to remember that one. Here's today's question. How do you pick a sweet melon? The answer is coming up very soon. When you find it, write it in the comments. Even one word is perfect. Writing your answer in English is a great way to practice. Something interesting is about to happen. Are you ready? Listen carefully. Let's continue.
Jake, look at these fruits. They all look so beautiful.
Looking beautiful isn't enough. You're about to learn why. Let's go to Mr. David's stand.
Welcome. Strawberries and melons are excellent today.
Mr. David, could you explain to Sarah how to pick a sweet melon?
With pleasure. Sarah, don't look with your eyes. Look with your nose.
With my nose?
Yes. Smell the bottom of that melon. What does it smell like?
It smells really sweet. Almost like sugar.
That's how you know it's ready. Sweet smell means sweet fruit. No smell means it's not ripe yet.
And there's one more thing. Mr. David, could you explain the weight trick?
Of course. Sarah, pick up these two melons. Which one is heavier?
The one on the left is heavier.
Then go with that one. A heavy fruit means it's full inside. More water, more sweetness.
Smell and weight. I'll remember those two rules.
And today, there's a special deal on strawberries. Buy 1 kilo, get half a kilo free.
Wonderful. Let's take 1.5 kilos of strawberries then.
And 1 melon too. The smell is really incredible. Mr. David, how can you tell if strawberries are fresh?
For strawberries, look at the color. Bright red means fresh. Dark and dull means old.
Bright red. Got it? I'll remember that.
Also, check the bottom of the punnet. If it's wet or squashed, some of the strawberries are old.
That's a very important tip. Always check the bottom of the punnet. Sarah, look at that stand in the corner. There's an amazing smell coming from it.
Yes. Fresh bread. It smells wonderful.
That's Mrs. Susan's bakery stall. She makes everything herself.
Good morning. Welcome. Today we have rye bread and white bread.
When was this bread made?
It came out of the oven at 6 this morning, still warm.
Mrs. Susan, could you teach us how to tell if bread is fresh?
Easy. First, smell it. Fresh bread smells warm and strong, then tap the bottom.
The bottom? Why?
When you tap fresh bread on the bottom, it makes a light hollow sound, almost like it's empty inside.
Give it a try, Sarah.
Tap, tap. Yes, there's a light sound.
Exactly, that's the sound fresh bread makes. Stale bread won't do that.
How fascinating. So it's smell and sound.
And one more thing to know, rye bread is better for your body. It's healthier.
We'll take 1 rye and 1 white, Mrs. Susan. We'll have it with fruit jam at home.
Perfect idea. Here you are. Enjoy.
Mrs. Susan, what's in this rye bread?
Whole wheat, water, salt. Nothing else. No additives.
Really? That's so healthy.
Come on, Sarah. Let's have a look at the cheese. There's a great smell coming from just ahead.
This market isn't just vegetables and fruit. It has everything.
That's the best thing about this market. Mr. James's cheese stand is right here. Good morning. Fresh cheese from the farm arrived this morning.
There are so many varieties. Which one should we get?
Today I'd recommend the white cheese. Full fat, very flavorful. Could we try some, Mr. James? Of course, here you are. Give it a taste.
It's so creamy and salty. I love it.
Me too. Let's get half a kilo. One more thing. When you get home, keep it in the fridge. Fresh cheese spoils quickly.
Got it. The fridge.
And how long can we keep it, Mr. James? A week at most. Eat it within 5 days to be safe. Thank you. Half a kilo then.
Jake, shall we rest for a moment? My bag has gotten really heavy.
Sounds like we've been shopping well. Let's sit on that bench.
I've learned so much today. Color, weight, smell, sound.
Can you remember it all?
Let me try. For tomatoes, the color should be vibrant and it should feel heavy.
Correct. Keep going.
For leafy greens, upright means fresh, soft means old.
Great. What about fruit?
For fruit with E, we smell it. A sweet smell means it's ready, and the heavier one is sweeter.
Now tell me about bread.
For bread, smell and sound. We tap the bottom, and it should make a light hollow sound.
Perfect, Sarah. You've learned everything you need to know at a market.
The vendors are so helpful. They all explained and showed us everything.
They love doing that. When customers know what they're doing, it makes the vendors happy too.
I also noticed something else. The prices here are really reasonable.
Yes, the difference is huge. Because the farmer is selling directly to you, no middleman.
No middleman means cheaper and fresher. That makes perfect sense.
Once you realize that, you never stop coming to the market. Shall we go to the honey and olive stand? We still have a bit of time.
Let's go. I love olives.
This is Mrs. Laura's stand. She sells both honey and olives.
Good morning. Local honey arrived today. The bees make it from the flowers in this area.
Local honey? Is there a difference?
There is. Local honey is unique to this area. The taste and smell are different. Give it a try.
It really is very different. There's a floral smell inside it.
Exactly. Shall we get a jar?
Yes, let's get a jar. And let's look at the olives too.
For olives, color matters. Green olives are young, black olives are ripe. Which do you prefer?
I like green olives.
Me too. We'll take half a kilo of green olives, Mrs. Laura. Let's do one more round. There are still stands we haven't been to.
Look, Jake, there are roses. How beautiful.
Yes, the market has flowers too, not just food. Would you like some?
Maybe. Let me have a look first.
Good morning. Today's seasonal roses are gorgeous. They came in fresh this morning.
How can you tell if flowers are fresh?
Look at the petals. If they're upright and vibrant, they're fresh. If they're yellowing or drooping, they're old.
Sound familiar? Same rule as the vegetables.
Yes, upright means fresh. It works for flowers too.
Absolutely. And if you buy a bouquet today, I'll throw in a small one for free.
Really? Then I'm getting one.
Sarah, the spending is adding up, you know.
But this market is so lovely. Everything is fresh and affordable. This market is so big. There are still stands I haven't seen.
Yes, I discover something new here every week.
Next time we should come even earlier. Let's see everything.
Shall we head off? My bag is full and I'm a little tired.
Me too. But I had such a great time. Why have I never come here before?
You've found it now. That's what matters.
Mr. Tom, Mrs. Helen, Mr. David, Mrs. Susan, Mr. James, Mrs. Laura. They were all so wonderful.
That's the best thing about this market. You get to know everyone. You see them every week.
At a supermarket, you don't know anyone. Here, it feels like one big family.
Exactly. So, what did you learn today?
For fresh vegetables, color and weight. For fresh fruit, smell and weight. For fresh bread, smell and sound. For fresh leafy greens, standing upright.
And there's one more rule. Now,
Which one?
buy what's in season. Cheap, fresh, and delicious.
Yes. I almost forgot that one. Seasonal produce is so important.
Would you come back next week?
Absolutely. The honey went so well with the bread and olives. I want to get more.
Then let's meet here next Saturday morning at 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock? Isn't that a bit early?
Remember, the best products sell out early in this morning.
You're right. I'll be here at 8. See you, Jake.
See you, Sarah. Happy shopping. Oh, and one more thing. Don't bring a plastic bag next time. Bring a reusable bag.
Why a reusable bag?
It's better for the environment and better for keeping fresh produce too.
Okay, I'll bring a reusable bag on Saturday.
I hope you enjoyed today's conversation and picked up some new English words and phrases. Before we finish, let's quickly go over a few key words from today's story. First phrase, in season. It means a product is at its best time of year. Mr. Tom told Jake and Sarah, "These vegetables are in season." Seasonal produce is both cheaper and more delicious. Second word, fresh. It means newly made or recently harvested. At the market, freshness is everything. Upright leaves mean fresh. Drooping leaves mean old. Bright-colored fruits mean fresh. Dull-colored ones mean old. Third word, heavy. Mr. David told Sarah, "Choose the heavy one." A heavy fruit means it's full inside, more juice and more sweetness. This rule applies to both tomatoes and melons. Now back to our question. How do you pick a sweet melon? Did you find the answer? Write it in the comments. I'll check them and tell me, do you go to a farmer's market? What do you love to get there? I'd love to know. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It really helps this channel grow. And if you want more slow, easy English conversations like this one, subscribe to Learn English with Daniel and turn on notifications. That way, you'll know the moment a new lesson goes up. I'll be back here soon with a brand new story just for you.